Dear students, welcome to the new session of Computer Fundamentals. Concept is output devices. So output device is a result for the information that is obtained after a processing. Information must be present in the human understandable form. Is capable of presenting the information on some output devices like the monitor, printer, plotters, etc. The first example for the output device is the monitor. Monitor is a commonly used output device. Sometimes it is called the visual displaying unit. It provides the visual display of the data. Monitors are connected with the computers and are similar in appearance to a television set. Initially, there were only a monochromic monitors. Gradually, we have monitors that display the color. The monitors display images and also the text. The size of these monitors is measured diagonally. It may be at the 12 inches, 14 inches, 17 inches, 19 inches, 21 inches are based on some technology. There are different types of the monitors are there. The one is an monochrome. In earlier days, the monitors displayed only in the single color text and also the graphics. Then the core revolutions or the color revolutions. So it is an introduction of the colors in display that transform visual computing. In the advanced technology in the modern displays, the high resolution monitors with the vibrant color reproduction. This is some brief introduction about monitor. Monitors, it's a commonly used output devices. Sometimes it is called the visual display unit. Then go to the next. The next output device is a printer. Printer is an output device that prints text or images on the paper or some other media. So here there are the two concepts. One is a hard copy, one more is a soft copy. What is a hard copy? The programs and data present on the paper is called hard copy, and the programs and data present in the memory are called as a soft copy. So one example for the printer is the dot matrix printer. The most popular serial printer is the dot matrix printer. It prints one line of 8 or 14 points at a time with print head moving across a line. The speed characteristics of the dot matrix printer is they normally tends to be slow with the printing speed around 300 characters per second. The multi-copy capability of the dot matrix printer is it uses to print on multi-stationaries to prepare a copies of a document. This is one example for the printer. And the second type of the printer is a laser printer. So as in the case of this laser technology, the laser printer uses a laser beam and ray powered ink to produce a fine dot matrix pattern. So this laser printer produces the superior quality. It can produce a very good quality of graphic images. The resolution ranges of this laser printer is available resolution range from 300 dpi at the low end around 1200 dpi at the high end. Next printer is an inkjet printer. Inkjet printer we can also known as a color printer. The first is the color cartridge system. Inkjet printer uses the color cartridges which combines magenta, yellow and cyan inks to create a color tones. A black cartridges is also used for the crisp monochrome output. The inkjet printers works by spraying ionizing ink at the sheet of paper, that is called spray technology. Then the magnetized plates in the ink bath direct the ink onto the paper in the described shape, that is called the magnetic direction. So this is about the inkjet. Then go to the next slide, that is called plotters. The plotter is also a sum output device that draws up pictures on a paper based on commands from a computer. The one is an pen-based drawing. The plotters differ from a printer in that they draw lines using pens. Second one is a continuous lines. They can produce the continuous lines, whereas printers can only simulate the lines by printing closely spaced dots. So this plotter having the multicolor capability. Multicolor plotter uses a different colored pens to draw different colors. So in the general, plotters are considerably more expensive than the printers. These plotters are mainly used in engineering applications. Thank you so much.